Hey there dog lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Rottweiler mixes, those unique and often underrated breeds that combine the strength and loyalty of the Rottweiler with the characteristics of other popular dogs. Whether you are a Rottie fan or just curious about different breeds, stick around because we are going to uncover the top 3 Rottweiler mixed breeds you probably haven't heard of. Trust me, by the end of this video, you might just find your next furry best friend. First up, we have the Boxweiler. Imagine taking the muscle and protective nature of a Rottweiler and blending it with the playful and energetic personality of a boxer. That's exactly what you get with a Boxweiler. These dogs are medium to large size and they are packed with energy. Boxweilers are super loyal and have a ton of love to give. They are fantastic for active families who want a dog that can keep up with them. Whether it's playing fetch, going for long walks or just running around in the yard, a Boxweiler is always ready for action. But don't be fooled by their play side. Boxweilers are very protective of their families. They have that natural guarding instinct from the Rottweiler side which makes them excellent watchdogs. And when it comes to grooming, their short coat is pretty low maintenance, which is nice bonus for busy pet owners. However, keep in mind that Boxweilers need plenty of exercise and mental stimulation. If they get bored, they might become a little mischievous. But with the right training and enough activity, they are one of the best companions you could ask for. Next on our list is the Labrador, a mix between Labrador Retriever and Rottweiler. If you're looking for a dog that's not only intelligent but also incredibly loyal, a Labrador might just be the perfect match for you. Labradors are medium to large sized dogs and they usually have a strong muscular build. Thanks to their Labrador parent, they are super friendly and great with families. They love being around people and known for being especially good with kids. One of the best things about Labradors is how easy they are to train. Labradors are naturally eager to please, and when you combine that with the Rottweiler's intelligence, you'll get a dog that's both smart and obedient. Whether it's basic commands or more advanced tricks, Labradors are quick learners. But don't forget, just like their Labrador parent, Labradors love food and they can easily gain weight if you're not careful. So it's important to keep them active with regular walks, playtime, and even swimming sessions if you can. With the right balance of exercise training, Labradors make for a wonderful, well-rounded family pet. Last but definitely not least, we have the Rottskei, a unique blend of Rottweiler and Siberian Husky. If you are an adventurous person looking for a dog to match your lifestyle, the Rottskei is definitely worth considering. Rottscheis are medium to large dogs and they usually have a striking blue eyes of a Husky paired with a strong muscular frame of a Rottweiler. These dogs are full of energy and love being outdoors. They are perfect for families who enjoy hiking, running, or even just exploring new places. But we warned Rottscheis can be quite independent and stubborn. This comes from their Husky side, which is known for being a bit headstrong. Early training and socialization are absolutely crucial with a Rottschei to make sure they grow into well-behaved adults. If you're up for the challenge through, the rewards are huge. A well-trained Rottschei is not only a loyal companion but also a great protector of the family. They have got the best of both worlds, the loyalty and protective nature of the Rottweiler and the adventurous spirited personality of the Husky. If you're thinking about adding a new dog to your family, consider one of these Rottweiler mixes. They might just be the perfect fit. So there you have it, the 3 amazing Rottweiler mixed breeds that you might not have been known about. Whether you're looking for a playful companion, a loyal family dog, or an adventurous partner, these Rottweiler mixes each bring something special to the table. Remember, mixed breeds often have the best of both worlds, combining the strength of their parent breeds to create truly unique and wonderful pets. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your fellow dog lovers and subscribe to our channel for more content. We'll see you in the next video.